Good morning, garden friends. I hope you're all doing really well. I'm really excited for one thing, shopping spree. Have you ever wondered what it might be like to go through your favorite store, being able to buy and grab all the things that you want to take home? Well, today I'm doing just that because me and Bear are gonna meet down at the nursery. Yeah, we're going on a shopping spree for some garden supplies for my classroom and our school garden program. So sit back, relax, and enjoy because it's time to go field tripping.
Yeah, so we got 2,000 bucks to spend. I think we'll have some fun. What do you think, Bear?
Yeah, let's have some fun.
Should we buy some flowers first?
Yeah, sure. I
All
love
right.
flowers. I love eating them too.
I know you do. So don't pee on that now, Bear. Now let's get some fertilizer. Okay, lots of money spent here. Bear, do you like fertilizer?
Of course I like fertilizer. Tastes delicious.
I know. Stop eating it. It's for the plants. All right, so
Can't
as you
help
can
it.
see, I know you can't help it. That's why I love you so much, Bear. So as you can see, we bought lots of fun stuff. Lots of fertilizer, watering cans, tools, all types of great things for the garden.
Yeah, I love eating them all.
I know. Stop eating all my stuff, Bear. You're supposed to just enjoy it. Stop eating and peeing on everything. Although it's been a great time at the nursery, we've been able to successfully spend $2,000 super fast. We are so excited to get back.
All right, so welcome back, garden friends. As you can see, I made it back from the nursery. I had a pretty successful haul and good trip there. I had the great task of being given to me to spend $2,000 very quickly at our local nursery. And so here are the results of what I've been able to find. As you can see, I got lots of goodies, everything from hand tools, safety equipment, watering jugs. I've got thermometers, organic fertilizers, organic pesticides. I got potting soil. I've got some brand new tools, a nice long pruner snipper. Got some brand new pots, tons of seeds. I got some irrigation equipment. So for me, I felt like it was a very successful haul. It was a great way to spend some much needed time in the nursery, and so I had a blast down at our nursery, Green Acres, picking up some plants and all these supplies. I'll be waiting here for my students and being put directly into use. Actually, even before you, I'm going to give you a tour of all that I've purchased. And actually, all that I got isn't even in right here because some of it's already in the greenhouse growing, and so it might not even be visible. Some plants that we got. I got some thornless berries. Got a lot new houseplant varieties that we didn't have before. So all in all, I was really excited and happy for this challenge because it was fun. I mean, who doesn't love shopping, right? And so I got some, and not on top of that, so I was able to get some really good supplies and materials to help out our class and keep the program going. So what'd you think? Did you like what I picked out? Some pretty good stuff. You know, there's a little bit of something for everybody in this trip, and I can't wait to share this with my students when they come back to school. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe so that way I can do more and then share more of my gardening adventures with you. Take care. Happy gardening.